My parents say I had a car accident on purpose because I was jealous that my sister was giving birth. But now the whole family knows the truth, and it's not good for them. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm sharing something incredibly personal and painful. A story that has been a source of heartbreak and misunderstanding in my family. It's about a car accident that happened during one of the most emotional times in our lives, and how false accusations tore us apart. This isn't easy for me to talk about, but I believe it's important to share my truth. I hope this video sheds light on the complexities of family dynamics and the importance of understanding each other. Let me start by telling you what happened that day. It was a regular day, or at least it started that way. I was driving home, focused on getting back safely, when suddenly out of nowhere, another car collided with mine. The crash was terrifying. It all happened so fast. Thankfully, I survived without major injuries, but the emotional impact was overwhelming. What I didn't expect was what came after the accident: the accusations from my own parents. They claimed I had caused the accident on purpose because I was jealous of my sister, who was giving birth that same day. When they said those words to me, I was shocked. Hurt doesn't even begin to describe how I felt. My parents believed that I would intentionally harm myself just because I was jealous of my sister's happiness and her new baby. I couldn't understand how they could think that about me, about their own child. I tried explaining what really happened, but they didn't want to listen. They were convinced that jealousy had driven me to do something reckless. But here's where things take a turn. The truth finally came out. After weeks of tension, arguments, and investigations into the accident, it became clear that the crash wasn't my fault at all. The other driver had been speeding and ran a red light, causing the collision. When this information came to light, it changed everything. But not in the way you might think. Instead of bringing relief or reconciliation, it exposed deeper issues within my family. The truth wasn't good for them, because it forced my parents to confront their own biases and assumptions about me. It made them realize how quick they were to judge me without evidence, and how much damage those accusations had caused. My relationship with them hasn't been the same since. There's still tension, still hurt feelings, and still a lot of unresolved pain. It's hard to rebuild trust when you've been misunderstood so deeply by the people who are supposed to know you best. Being accused of something so terrible by your own family is an experience I wouldn't wish on anyone. It made me question myself, my worth, my place in the family, and whether they truly knew who I was as a person. I felt isolated and betrayed, like I was fighting alone to prove my innocence, while also dealing with the trauma of the accident itself. This experience taught me some hard lessons about family dynamics and human nature. People often act out of fear or misunderstanding when emotions are high, and sometimes they create narratives that have nothing to do with reality. It also taught me the importance of standing firm in your truth, even when others doubt you. At the end of the day, your integrity is yours alone. It doesn't depend on whether others believe you. I'm sharing this story not just to vent my pain, but to help anyone else going through something similar. If you've ever been falsely accused or misunderstood by your loved ones, know that you're not alone. Healing takes time, both for yourself and for your relationships. To families watching this, please take a moment before jumping to conclusions about someone you love. Listen with an open heart, and try to see things from their perspective. Thank you for letting me share my story today. It means so much to me that you're here listening. If this video resonated with you or helped you in any way, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're going through something similar, remember, you're stronger than you think. Thank you for watching. Like this video, and subscribe to Rise Up Stories for more such videos.